Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to find shared designs in Canva. Before we get started, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel as this really helps me out. So to start with, you need to open up your Canva account, and from the home page, we're going to look over onto the left-hand side, and you should see a little button that says projects. So I'm going to click on there, and then again in the left hand pane you have a few different options. So you have a your projects option and a shared with you option. If you want to see projects or items shared with you, just click on there and you will see the recently shared files with you. So I can scroll across, I can see different designs that have been shared with me. So these might have been shared as like freebies and lead magnets or by someone you're working with. So that's it. That's how to find your shared designs. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.